Okay, hi everyone. It's Fun Fact Friday, and Chris and I are here to share two oils with you, Melissa and Aborvitae. So, Chris, tell us a little bit about Aborvitae.
Hi, everybody. Aborvitae is a fun one. I think I said about all of them. They're all fun. They're all great. Aborvitae is also known as or called the tree of life, but it's also known as the Western red cedar, and it's found in Canada and Northwestern America. Um, the fun fact on this one is that doTERRA partners with the harvesters, and they use an innovative responsible sourcing so that the entire tree is used. Nothing is left over. There's no residual wood materials. Everything is used. So that's really, really a great, awesome thing. It's they use steam distillation, and it's can be used aromatically, topically, and neat. It has a warm, earthy, woody smell. I wanted to share with you guys one of the ways I've used it. Well, actually, I've made it for friends. It's called a phlegm begone roller, and I have a couple of friends who have needed that, and so I found this recipe and passed it along. And there's two of them that have used it with great success. So they just kind of get that phlegmy thing in their throat and their chest, and they just take this and roll it on. So the recipe for that is, which we'll write down and post, is 3 drops of Aborvitae, 2 drops of rosemary, 3 drops of vetiver, and 4 of lavender. And I just put it in a little 5 ml roller. And I guess I didn't show you my little Aborvitae. That's the one we were talking about today. A 5 ml roller, and fill it up with FCO. And like I say, they're just rolling it on, and it works great for them. One of them actually had like a cold. The other one had like allergy stuff going on. So the fact that it worked well for both of them was kind of a cool thing. So I hope that helps everybody.
That's awesome. I can't wait to see or make one for my husband because he's been dealing with them. That's perfect timing. Thank you for sharing that with us.
Oh, sorry.
To Melissa.
Sorry. Come back.
It's all good. It's Fun Fact Friday. We're at it today.
Dogs and kids.
Right? Dogs and kids, yes. All right, Melissa. So the fun fact about Melissa, it's a Greek word for honeybee, which I thought was very interesting. I never knew that. So Melissa is extracted from the leaf. In fact, plants will produce this energy that produces the essential oil. So when they don't give off a lot of energy, they don't put out a lot of essential oil, and Melissa is one of those type of plants. So it takes like 60 to 70,000 pounds of leaves to make an essential oil to fill in a 5 milliliter bottle. I'm sure it's a vat, but you kind of get the picture. So it has strong soothing properties. It's used in blends like Elevate and Motivate. I'm going to read off my notes because it's a lot of information to share. I used daily, especially at work. I do like a little on my thumb, and I put it on the roof of my mouth, and that helps calm my nervous system. This oil is also valued for its fresh citrus aroma. You can take it internally with water or a veggie capsule. Ingest it like a supplement to help support a healthy immune system. So if you run out of On Guard or any of the immune boosting essential oils, you can reach for your Melissa, which by the way is 10% this month in April. So bigger discounts for everyone. What else can I say? So, also, like, it's my other favorite oil, geranium. It has a high chemical component called geraniol. And it also has neural, and with these two components combined, provide soothing properties, which helps you to relax. So it's perfect to diffuse before bedtime. If you have a big presentation, or you got to get on Zoom with your coworker, you can put a couple of drops, just 1-2 drops, rub your hands together, inhale. You can put it on your forehead, on your shoulders, on your chest after a long day of work or just a long day. Yeah, and it blends well with On Guard, geranium, lavender, basil, and frankincense. So that's Melissa and Aborvitae. So that's it for today, you guys. We'll see you next Friday for fun facts. Take care, everybody.